Hey guys, it's me, Uplays Instant Drinks. I'm gonna be showing you a trick of how to fly in build a boat for a treasure. So the things you will need is a magnet where you can find here, and then this thing wherever. And when you reach the end, you will need the jetpack and balloons. So this is how wait, and how did that, and then I'm gonna show how to do it. I'm just gonna reset. My friend just started a match, but so that's how you build it. So first, what do you want to do? I'm gonna just take the jetpack on, so yeah. But anyways, the first step is place that over there, and then put a seat on here, and then put this, press T to do it like that. Then after, delete this one, and then when it's deleted, put this on, right, like that. Then put the block on, like that. Then find the magnet and turn it like that so it stands like that. With so it will look like this. So it flies. Then now what you need to do is get the blocks, right? Boom, boom, and then the last thing, balloons. Place on top, and there you go. Just get it on. Turn on this. Get the balloon on, and then start the thing, and you're gonna start flying. And I'm gonna show you how to beat it in the same time. Just wait until it makes the end. But make sure to have a jetpack, otherwise you're not winning this game. It's not gonna be, well, probably you can, but it's just gonna be very hard without a jetpack. So just do it with a jetpack. I recommend you. Oh, what happened here? Dude, you gotta be kidding me, I'm stuck. Okay, it's up, okay, it goes. No! Okay, but that's how you make it fly. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button. We'll see you guys next time.